You will love this white 2011 Ford Super Duty F250 SRW XL. This vehicle is powered by a gas ethanol V8 6.2L/379 engine with an automatic transmission in 4WD. We priced this Ford Super Duty F250 SRW to sell quickly. You will find that this vehicle is loaded with options like black door handles, a glove box, child seat tethers on all rear passenger seats, a 3-button message control on steering wheel, multi-function switch, message center incorporated, ice blue lighting, a belt minder, seatbelt not buckled chime and flashing warning light, a front door operated dome lamp with time delay off and dip switch, color keyed scuff plates, a torque shift 6-speed automatic transmission with tow haul mode, rec. 996 engine, 5. LT245/75R17E all-season BSW tires and a full-size spare tire with lock and carrier. What are you waiting for? Come in for a test drive today. Be an informed buyer when making this purchase and review the Carfax history report now for free. With a 8-cylinder engine, you'll have an adrenaline rush when you start up the engine. Hear it roar. Deals like this are far and few. Act now and call us today.